Hi, I'm Marcy Newsom from the Brain and Spinal Cord Injury Center at brainandspinalcord.org. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 things that every new brain injury patient should know. Be sure to check the website for all relevant links and a recap of this article. The first thing that every new brain injury patient should know is that he or she is not alone. As a matter of fact, every year 1.4 million people in the United States are treated for brain injury, and that's just those who seek medical care. Of those who do seek medical care, approximately 2% die, 18% are hospitalized, and 80% are treated and released. Coping with a brain injury can be extremely difficult for the survivor and his or her family and loved ones, but there's no reason why you have to do it alone. Survivors should be willing to ask for and receive help from family, friends, and loved ones when needed. There are a variety of support groups and resources designed to help the survivor and his or her family and friends navigate recovery following a brain injury. In addition, recognize that doctors, nurses, and therapists are part of the recovery team. Caregivers should be willing to call on this team for help, advice, and answers whenever the need arises, and should also not be afraid to ask for help or a break whenever they feel they need it. Caregivers who are burnt out can't give the support the survivor needs. The second thing that every brain injury patient should know is the types of treatment and rehabilitation available to them. Because brain injuries are so different, no 2 rehabilitation programs are the same. Instead, brain injury rehabilitation programs are individualized depending upon the location and severity of the injury. The goal is to help the person with the brain injury regain as much brain function as possible. Rehabilitation may include therapies designed to help the patient relearn everyday activities such as walking or talking, and may include therapies geared toward cognitive, physical, memory, behavioral, psychiatric, or vocational problems. The third thing that every brain injury patient should know is that recovery will be a challenge. As a matter of fact, the brain must be challenged in order to rewire itself. We've all heard the old adage, no pain, no gain, and this certainly applies to recovering from a traumatic brain injury. Progress may seem slow. For every 2 steps forward, there may be 1 step back, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Patients and their loved ones should be aware that recovery will take place in its own time. Perseverance, patience, and celebrating even the smallest gain will help the survivor maintain the positive attitude needed during the incredibly challenging recovery process. Patients of brain injury should also be encouraged to engage in physical activity as soon as the doctor gives permission. That's because new scientific research is finding that a protein located in the brain called the no-go receptor helps to boost the signal strength between brain synapses. The catch? The no-go receptor is enhanced with exercise. Remember, brain injury survivors are not alone. While recovery may be a challenge, with the right support, help, and knowledge, that challenge can be met. This concludes our segment on 3 things that every survivor of brain injury must know. Remember to check our website for the most up-to-date information, including resources and tips regarding brain and spinal cord injuries. Thanks for watching.